Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete email message simultaneously on Android. Here I'm using an Infinix Note 30 NFC device, but this step you can also apply it on all types of Androids. Okay, before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe for more information. Alright, the first step is please enter the Gmail application on your device, and then you can delete message manually like this. However, for a more effective steps, here you can use the following method. Okay, please open your browser and then you can type gmail.com. If it looks like this, here you can select a point 3 at the top right, after which you can select the site desktop. And then here you can copy the address by pressing the share icon. And then you can enter another browser and paste. After that, you can delete it until the word mail. And then click search. After that, it will look like this. And then to delete the email message at once, you can click the box icon here, and then all your email message will be checked and can be deleted simultaneously. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete email message simultaneously on Android device.